In today's video, we are going to our Ubahu town. Yes, our is in Enugu East local government area. So we have some properties there in our town. Some has C of O for residential purpose, that is a new estate, while some are specifically for agricultural purpose. So ensure to watch the video till the end. You may be wondering where we are currently. Okay, I started the video from the entrance into Centenary City Enugu, that is along portharcourt expressway. So as we are going, I'll be showing you places. I'll be telling you places as we're passing them. Like the new Kenyatta market, we're going to pass it. We're going to pass the road to New Enugu City that is just commissioned some days back. We're going to pass through New Artisan, Mega Filling Station, Airport Road, Innocent, Ekobinago, those places, Federation Layout, Immigration Office, and all those places. So we're going to pass through there. Just sit back and then sure to watch the video to the end. I'm sure most of you are not familiar with the routes, so sit and enjoy the drive as we move. Yeah, so if you have been watching my videos, especially the drive-through to Federation Layout and some drive-through along here, you would notice that this place is a familiar environment. So we've passed through this route about 2 or 3 times if you have been watching my videos. Okay, so this area now is called New Haven Extension. This environment is called New Haven Extension, while this third road leads to Abakaliki. So this is Abakaliki Expressway. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do that as you're watching this video. Click on that subscribe and subscribe. When you click on it, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop any of my videos, you will get a notification to watch it. Okay, so continue to watch this video. We are going to our town, or after we enter into Ubahu town. Those areas are blessed with a rich soil for agricultural peoples. So you're going to see for yourself the rice that is cultivated, and then we're also going to show you Usisatek Polytechnic in our town. Just ensure to watch to the end. I'm sure you would love to go into our town. So sit back and we got you covered today. We are going to show you our town. From there we enter into Ubahu town, and guess what? One of the major reasons for this video is to show you the distance from other areas in Enugu city, Enugu town, into our town. All right, and then also to show you some of the new estates that are coming up in our town, like the one I uploaded few days ago, selling for 12 million naira, and it's for residential peoples and estates with a C of O. And then we have some, like I said earlier from the beginning of this video, we also have some places that are majorly for agricultural purposes situated in Ubahu town, given that Ubahu is blessed with rich soil for these peoples. So sit back and ensure to watch the video till the end. we are here finally. This is the road leading to our town. From our town, we enter into Ubahu town. So sit back and enjoy our town today. Yes. Here, this place now you're seeing, this is the new estate I told you, the one I uploaded some days back by the right side. That is a new estate that is selling for 12 million naira and has of all. As you can see, it is very close to Portharcourt Expressway and at the same time located along the third road leading to our town. So it's a very nice estate and it is strategically located. Yeah, so this place now is our town, and we are going to show you some more places and some more nice new estates in this town. And from here we are moving into Ubahu to show you the agricultural area. That is the land specifically for agricultural purposes. Yes. I hope you are loving what you're seeing. I hope you love what you have seen so far. I hope you enjoyed the fact that I brought you into our town today. Yeah. Do kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. If you have any question or questions with respect to real estate investment here in the Southeast Enugu, Nigeria, do not hesitate to call or WhatsApp me on 0803 743 5005. I am your real estate consultant here in the Southeast Enugu, Nigeria. Love it, Aneke. Until I come your way again. Bye for now.